These are the basements that come down to the stairs. And I just kind of got the old stairs that was rotted out from the basement flood, and that's got them kind of sitting up there. And I couldn't put them back together because they were so messed up, so I decided to replace it with metal strainers and some new wood. So we're going to try that out. But you can see it right now, the before. Just got it sitting up there, like I said, right now. It's not really secured in any kind of way. And we'll see what we can do here. I almost broke my neck coming down them stairs. It fell off on me, so, but thank God I'm still here, still alive. And there's the other steps over there. First thing I don't like is this piece right here, so I'm going to cut me a piece of wood. Just from this right here. Same thing I'm going to use for the steps to replace that. I got my board replaced with pretty much a step. I'm going to set the braces up there in this and mark them. Okay, those are the old steps that came out down, so you can see how the wood was rotted off. I couldn't get them put back together. See, the bottom part, they all rotted out. So came over here. The thing I noticed about these steps though, when you're installing them, you can't install the step itself first, because if you do, you're going to run into the problem not being able to get to this bottom screw if you use 2 inches like you should. So I would recommend putting up the bracket first and settling that. The other thing I noticed is you can't, if you're using a drill, it's going to be hard to get up in that area. So I've got an angle tool I'll show you that I'm using for that. Another thing I'm going to do is pre-drill the holes to make it easier. So I'm going to mark this from underneath there. I'm going to mark it with a marker and the little holes for each one. Drill a little hole and then get those in. The other thing, since I'm doing it on cement, I'm putting another step to set it on at the bottom. So I'm using concrete screws to get through there rather than those bolts that came with it. Bolts that came with it, you're good for through situations like this, but I feel like it's better to have the concrete bolts going into concrete. So that's what we're going to do.